Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to start our lesson from page number 9. It's the exercise of unit number 1, patience. The very first exercise we are going to start with is about articles a and an. And let's know about articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an. Indefinite article is the. Now let's read the information that has been given here. A is used before a noun starting with a consonant. The article an is used before a word starting with a vowel. Now let's move towards the exercise. Read the given paragraph and notice the use of articles. There were dark clouds in the sky. I took an umbrella. Here an has been written before umbrella because umbrella is starting from vowel sound. And walked to the market. I bought an ice cream. Again, an article has been used before ice cream because it's starting from vowel sound. From the shop, I saw a cat. Here k. It's giving consonant sound, so a has been written before cat. Near a tree. Now tree is consonant sound, so a has been written before it. Outside that shop, she looked hungry. I bought a packet of biscuits. Packet is giving consonant sound, so we have used a here and broke them into pieces. Then I gave these biscuits to her. She ate them thankfully. Now let's move towards the next exercise. Tick the correct options. There is dash book on the table. Here book is giving consonant sound, so we will use a and tick this article. Sarah had dash egg for breakfast. Here egg is giving vowel sound, so we will use an egg. Please give me dash apple. Apple is also giving vowel sound, so we will use an before apple, an apple. I saw dash small cat in the park. Here small is giving consonant sound, so we will use a before small. Maria bought dash umbrella. Here umbrella is giving vowel sound, so we will write an before umbrella. Now let's move towards the next exercise, which is related to adjectives. First of all, let's know what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, Jane is a clever girl. Here clever is adjective because it is describing the noun girl. Adjectives are used in different ways. They are used as determiner before noun. For example, a and the, both, either. They tell us about the quality of a noun. This is also called the opinion. For example, good, bad, great, terrible. Adjectives tell us about the size of the noun. For example, huge, big, large, tiny, enormous. Adjectives tell us about the shape of the noun. For example, flat, round, square, triangular. They also tell us about the age of the noun. For example, young, old, new, ancient, 6-year-old. Adjectives tell us about the color of the noun. For example, red, black, pale, bright, faded, shining. Adjectives tell us about the origin of the noun. For example, French, American, Canadian, Mexican. Adjectives tell us about the material of the noun. For example, wooden, silk, metal. Adjectives tell us about the purpose of the noun. For example, writing, rolling, sleeping. Now look at the given web, which is telling about the adjectives. Adjectives tells us about color. She bought a red dress. Here red is adjective which is telling about color. And they live in a big house. Here big is telling about size. And we have a round dining table. Here round is an adjective which is telling about the shape. Aslan is an honest child. Here honest is telling about the quality. Maha is a Pakistani girl. Here Pakistani is telling about the origin. This is also an adjective. And adjectives tell about the quantity or number of the nouns. There were many trees in the park. Here many is adjective of quantity or number, which is telling about the trees. Now let's move towards the next exercise. Put the following adjectives in the correct boxes. Here some adjectives have been given. Let's read them out. Intelligent, large, black, few, round, American, Chinese, oval, one, short, truthful, yellow. Now you have to write them in the relevant boxes. Intelligent, it will be written in adjective of quality. Large, it is telling about the size, so write it here, adjective of size. Black, it is telling about the color, so write it here, adjective in adjective of color. Few, it is telling about the quantity, so write it here in adjective of quantity. And then is round, it is telling about the shape, so write it here in adjective of shape. American, it is telling about the origin, write it here in the blue box. Chinese, it is also telling about the origin, so write it in the adjective of origin. Oval, it is telling about the shape, so it will be written here in adjective of shape with the round. One, it is telling about the quantity, it will be written in the last box, adjective of quantity. And the short is telling about the size, so it will be written here in adjective of size. Truthful is telling about the quality, so write it here with intelligent. And the last one is yellow, write it in the adjective of color, it will be here in the orange box. I hope you have understood today's lesson. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.